Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to paper-mâché and create Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's get started. For the first step, we're going to need aluminum foil and masking tape. We want to make this as big as my baby brother, so we're thinking about 24 inches. That was a hard one. That one. Oh, close. So many. Gotta get it. I can do this. Magic. Oh, come on. I have one more. Bullseye! I'm gonna draw Sonic about 24 inches, as big as this, so I have something to go off of. Drawn, we're gonna start forming the foil for the body parts. We're gonna do the head first. Then we're gonna need a bigger piece. When I say bigger, I mean much bigger. And remember, have fun while you're building this. Can you help me? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? This is actually the perfect size for the body. Give it a big hug. Yeah, this is working. Almost done. Perfect. That actually worked out perfect for the body. Right here. Now, if only I had more foil. Wait a minute. I've never tried this before. Whoa! That worked. Now, what should I do with this? Go ahead. Give it a hug. Give it a hug. There. That wasn't so bad. We might need a little more. So far, it's turning out well. Do you think that's the right size? I think so. We might need a little more than I thought. Oops. And there it goes. That's about the size. I'm gonna make the shoes now. Perfect. How do you think it's going, Tails? Good, me too. If only we could snap you out of here. Okay, good. But where did he go? Everything that goes there kind of disappears. Maybe we can snap everything back. Okay, now I'm gonna build the other leg. Still doing work. It's time to start the arms. One. That's about the size, right? No? Okay, I'll keep working. some energy. Ow. It's looking good, right? Nod. Thank you. The body's done. Let's work on the quills now. There's one quill. Why are you jumping around? Jump around. Jump around. Okay. There's the tail. There's the tail. And then the nose. Okay. Now that we got all the pieces formed, we're gonna tape them individually and then tape them together. Where did I put that tape? Let's see. Where did I put it? Look at that. Now, let's start taping it. Can't miss a spot. One foot done. Another leg. Two legs finished. Now that everything is taped, it's time to tape it all together. I'm gonna take the body and take the leg. I'm gonna place the leg right where I want it. Because we want the joints to be super tight, we're gonna use duct tape and then cover it with masking tape. Squeeze it really tight. Oh, perfect, those are perfectly strong. Now we're putting the arms on. That we have the legs and the tail. We got the arms on, now it's time for the head. Now that we got the head, now it's time to do the spikes. And last, we're gonna do the nose. Gonna wanna take the duct tape, go around like that. Then you're gonna put the quills on. Once you put the quills on, you're gonna start stabling them. I'm Sonic. Now that we have all the quills and joints duct taped, we're gonna cover it in masking tape. Now I'm putting on the nose and the ears. Now that we got it all taped, we're gonna start paper-macheing him. We're gonna need newspaper, glue, water, and something to hold the glue. We're gonna start out using a cup of glue and a half cup of water. First, the water. Now we're gonna need the glue. Ooh. Now we're gonna pour the glue into the, look at that. Sort of like we're making some yummy food. Now we're gonna start mixing it. Thank you, mysterious hand. You want it to look like syrup. Move this to the side. We don't need that right now. Everything. Next, you're gonna take your newspaper and tear them into strips. about 8 inches long. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is a little too thick, but this is perfect. A trick to this is to have lots of sheets and tear them. I think we have enough. Now for the fun part, we're gonna take our newspaper, dip it in the glue, and put it on our Sonic. Row, row, row your boat right into the glue. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. I'm in a store and I'm singing. I'm in my dad's shop and I'm singing. It's gonna be a long day. Slingshot of an offer. Don't even know what that means. Ew, yes, not. Perfect. It's a very, very messy project. I'm living the dream. It might seem like it takes forever, but it's totally worth it. Now that he's all paper-mâché, we're gonna let him dry for a couple days and then paint him. The next step is to apply gesso onto our Sonic. Gesso is pretty much primer. We're gonna need gesso, ruler, paintbrush, and something to hold the gesso in. Let's get started. Fart. Let's do this. Okay, Sonic. We got the primer on. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect because the paint will cover up the other spots. The next step is to paint him. Now that he's all dry, we're gonna paint him. We're gonna need cobalt hue, black, white, bright green, bright red, and peach. We're also gonna need paint brushes, a ruler, and something to hold the paint. I also printed a picture of Sonic. It can be anyone you want, so I have something to go off of. Ooh, lots of blue. Not very much green at all, okay. So I'm gonna draw some guidelines so I know where the paint goes. This is gonna be the best Sonic I've ever made in my life. When Sonic gets angry, electricity starts coming out of his body. So I'm gonna take this wire, cut it, stick it in his body, paint it so it looks like electricity. So there you have it, guys, my finished Sonic. I really love the wire, the detail, the feet. It's just so realistic. You can do this too. I hope you enjoyed building this with me. I'm giving a free Saul Build sticker to the first 100 subscribers.